Double-hung windows are a popular choice for many Little Rock homeowners due to their classic design, ease of use, and excellent ventilation capabilities. However, like any feature in your home, they require regular cleaning and maintenance to keep them looking and functioning their best, especially in Little Rock's variable climate. From humid summers to rainy seasons, these conditions can take a toll on your windows if they're not properly cared for. Follow these tips to clean and maintain your double-hung windows and extend their lifespan. Regular cleaning for a crystal clear view. Keeping your double-hung windows clean enhances your home's appearance and allows natural light to flow freely into your living spaces. Regular cleaning also prevents dirt and grime from building up, which can cause operational issues over time. Cleaning the glass. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a homemade solution of water and vinegar for streak-free results. Wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth or squeegee for a polished finish. Clean both the interior and exterior panes to remove dirt, pollen, and water spots. Cleaning the frames. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive pads that could scratch the surface. Wooden frames may need a gentle cleaner and occasional resealing or repainting to protect against moisture. Frequency. Clean your windows at least twice a year, or more frequently during pollen season or after heavy rains common in Little Rock. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping is essential for sealing your double-hung windows against drafts and moisture. Over time, exposure to Little Rock's hot, humid summers and rainy conditions can wear down these components. Inspection steps. Look for cracks, gaps, or peeling in the weather stripping. Test for drafts by running your hand along the edges of the closed window. If you feel airflow, the seal may need attention. Maintenance tip. Replace damaged weather stripping promptly to ensure your windows remain energy efficient and weather resistant. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. The ability to easily slide both sashes up and down is one of the defining features of double-hung windows. However, dirt, dust, and wear can affect their operation over time. How to lubricate. Clean the tracks and moving parts with a soft brush or cloth to remove debris. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and hinges. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can attract dirt and grime. Open and close the window several times to distribute the lubricant evenly. Frequency. Lubricate the tracks and hardware once or twice a year, or more often if your windows are frequently used. Protect against moisture damage. Little Rock's humid climate can lead to condensation on your windows, which may cause mold, mildew, or frame damage if left unchecked. Preventing moisture issues. Use a dehumidifier or increase ventilation in rooms prone to condensation, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Check for water pooling on sills or frames after rainstorms and wipe it away promptly. Inspect wooden frames for signs of rot and reseal or repaint them as needed. Taking steps to manage moisture helps preserve your windows and prevents costly repairs. Check for storm damage. Little Rock's weather can include heavy rains, strong winds, and occasional hail. After severe weather, it's important to inspect your double-hung windows for signs of damage. What to look for? Cracked or chipped glass panes. Bent or warped frames caused by high winds. Leaks or water stains around the edges of the window. Post-storm maintenance. Address any damage immediately to ensure your windows remain secure and functional. Maintain energy efficiency. Double-hung windows are a great option for improving energy efficiency, but their performance can diminish without regular upkeep. Efficiency tips. Clean the glass and frames to allow natural light to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Ensure the sashes close tightly and lock securely to prevent air leaks. Upgrade to energy-efficient glass or add storm windows for additional insulation. By maintaining your windows, you can lower energy costs and keep your home comfortable year-round. Schedule professional inspections. While regular cleaning and DIY maintenance are essential, professional inspections can identify hidden issues that may go unnoticed. Benefits of professional help. Detect early signs of wear, such as compromised seals or damaged hardware. Receive expert advice on extending the life of your windows. Access professional-grade cleaning and repair tools. Scheduling an annual inspection ensures your windows remain in excellent condition and perform optimally. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows are a durable and stylish feature in any Little Rock home, but regular cleaning and maintenance are key to preserving their beauty and functionality. By taking care of your windows, you can protect them from the effects of the local climate, enhance energy efficiency, and extend their lifespan. If you need assistance with cleaning, repairs, or inspections, partner with a trusted window professional in Little Rock. With expert guidance and care, your double-hung windows will continue to add value and comfort to your home for years to come.